Hello, everyone. I'm Irfan Butt, the CEO at Crest Technology. Cyber threats like data breaches and ransomware are a huge concern for healthcare providers, making patient information safety and security a top priority for the industry. With the right strategy, it is possible to create a utopia where healthcare providers no longer have to worry about cyber threats. According to a recent study by IBM, in 2020, the healthcare industry accounted for 43% of all cyber threats, costing more than $7 million on average per data breach. So today, I'll discuss the critical need for a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy in healthcare industry and the importance of protecting patient data and costly data breaches. Healthcare providers need to focus on several areas to form a cybersecurity strategy, such as medical data privacy, HIPAA compliance, patient confidentiality, EHR security, network security, malware protection, data loss prevention, and ransomware protection. So let's get started. In terms of cybersecurity strategy, healthcare providers need to focus on 5 key areas. The first one is the medical data privacy and HIPAA compliance. If you're a healthcare organization, it is your responsibility to keep patient data confidential and protected from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. You must comply with HIPAA regulations to avoid legal consequences. Then the second one is patient confidentiality and electronic health records security. EHR, also called the electronic health records, are increasingly used to store and manage patient information, making EHR security a top priority. Proper EHR security measures are vital for keeping patient information confidential and protected from unauthorized access. The next one, number third, is network security and malware protection. Proper network security and malware protection are essential to prevent cyber threats such as data breaches and malware attacks. And then the number fourth is the data breaches and ransomware. Data breaches can have severe consequences for healthcare organizations, including damage to your reputation and financial losses. Ransomware attacks can also cause severe issues and affect your patient's care. Therefore, it is essential to have appropriate ransomware protection in place. And if you're not familiar with what ransomware is, it is a type of software the hackers use to access and lock your critical data so that you're not able to read documents and read data files. And then lastly, there is data loss prevention. Data loss prevention, also called DLP, is a critical component of security for healthcare organizations. There are different DLP solutions that are available. DLP solutions can help to protect and prevent the unauthorized disclosure of sensitive data. So, for example, if you have implemented the DLP policy to protect patient information, any document or email that is shared externally, first of all, it will prevent people who do not have the privilege to share such documents externally not be able to do it. And secondly, when the document or data is sent outside your organization, it is encrypted, and only the intended recipient is able to open that email or read that email or be able to open those documents. So how Crest can help? That's an important plugin. Crest Technology is an experienced IT services provider that can efficiently implement the best cybersecurity practices to prevent cyber attacks and transform any health organization into a cutting-edge company when it comes to cybersecurity. We offer a range of services, including remote monitoring and management audits, network penetration testing, data loss prevention policies, phishing email testing, and comprehensive cybersecurity user training. Crest Technology also implements state-of-the-art endpoint protection and response solution. The EDR allows your company to be able to recover from any kind of damage caused by cyber criminals. The EDR solution can roll back your infected devices to a pre-infection healthy state. So healthcare organizations have an obligation to protect their patients' personal and medical information by taking proactive measures to ensure cybersecurity. Healthcare organizations can help prevent data breaches, ransomware attacks, and other cyber threats. Contact us for a free IT services analysis and get started on implementing a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy to protect your patient data. Thank you for watching.
The small to mid-sized business community is no stranger to IT operational challenges, cybersecurity, disaster preparedness, 24/7 support. Addressing these challenges require technical specialization and business knowledge. That's why smaller organizations need Crest IT services, including CIO services, cybersecurity, infrastructure, desktop, and Microsoft 365 support. Our services are a combination of strategy, remote monitoring, preventative maintenance, hands-on support, and user training. Contact us today for a free analysis of your IT services.